नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं देश का पहला लोकल न्यूज चैनल अब तक बिहार। अब तक बिहार में आपका स्वागत है।
आज नव भारत जागृति केंद्र द्वारा संचालित लोकनायक जयप्रकाश आंख अस्पताल काझा वजीरगंज गया के तीसरे तल्ला का उद्घाटन कोन एलिवेटर इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के वरिष्ठ निदेशक श्री MP सरवनन, श्री रुफुस डेविडसन और श्री रंजन आलोक ने किया। कोन इंडिया ने अपनी CSR पहल के तहत LNJP आंख अस्पताल को नेत्र चिकित्सा में काम आने वाले अनेक उपकरणों जैसे स्लिट लिप, नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट टोनोमीटर, ऑटो रेफ्रेक्टोमीटर, केराटोमीटर, स्कैन, हाईजूम माइक्रोस्कोप, CBC मशीन, बाइनोकुलर माइक्रोस्कोप और मरीजों के लिए 60 बिस्तरों की भी व्यवस्था की है। इस सहायता से गया, जहानाबाद, नवादा, औरंगाबाद इलाके की लगभग 90 लाख आबादी को गुणवत्तापूर्ण नेत्र चिकित्सा करवाने की सुविधा मिलेगी। इस अवसर पर उपस्थित NBJ के सचिव श्री सतीश गिरिजा ने कोन एलिवेटर इंडिया और उनके पदाधिकारियों के प्रति हार्दिक आभार प्रकट किया। मौके पर NBJK के कार्यक्रम निदेशक श्री गंधर्व गौरव, श्री आनंद अभिनव के साथ LNJP आंख अस्पताल के प्रबंधक श्री सौरभ राज, चिकित्सकगण डॉक्टर आशुतोष कुमार आनंद, डॉक्टर नीतू कुमारी, डॉक्टर P रंजन और श्री सुदर्शन पांडेय के अलावा अनेक स्वास्थ्यकर्मी मौजूद रहे। अब तक बिहार ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट गया जी।
Manufacture elevators and escalators, and we are one of the leading brands in the country. And so we take it as a privilege not only to elevate people from the ground floor to the top floor, but also people lives from bottom to up. So we thank you so much, NBJK team.
After the graduation from BITC as an engineering graduate, and at that time there were very few organizations who were running social services in the sector, and I think Navbharat Electrical was one of them. And at that time we were not knowing that there are donor agency. We supported the organization for last 5 to 6 years. In 1976, we supported it with our salary. We were, because we were engineers, we joined the Bogandiship plant, and from our salary, we were 4 friends. So from our salary, we were supporting all the activities of the. But in 1976, there was emergency, and we were follower of Jayaprakash Narayanji and students movement. So we were terminated from the job. I was arrested under the defense of India rule. I was in the Hyderabad jail. And that time we came to know about that there are donor diseases. And the Oxfam India Trust invited us that you have done a good work, so we are ready to help you. And they gave us the first grant in 1976 with us 25,400 only. And now in this institution is very lucky that we have more than 30 donors every year.
For 2 to 3 days, in case of phaco, in case of faces, we have to take rest for 2 to 3 weeks. And next is patient has to they have to maintain a healthy hygiene. That is most necessary part, because most of the village people, they rub their eyes with the it's unhygienic towel, so they have to take care of those things.
What do you want to say about children? Because their skin time is very low.
So regarding those things, I will ask, I want to say about the parents. Like, parents should indulge their children in the indoor activities. They should spend time with their children so that they can do activities like playing games, indoor games, physical activities, so that they do not indulge in mobile, computer games. So parents has to spend time with the children.
आते हैं तो शाम में लाते हैं, यहाँ पे सारा दवा वगैरह एंटीबायोटिक वगैरह डालते हैं, सुबह में सारा टेस्ट करते हैं, उसका सभी ग्लूकोज वगैरह ब्लड प्रेशर वगैरह सब सही रहा तो उसको शाम में सर्जरी करते हैं। दूसरे दिन तीसरे दिन सुबह जो है डॉक्टर साहब जांच करके उनका आँख का कैसा सर्जरी हुआ है उसको रिलीज करते हैं।